Some nasty quarter panel damage. This is ripped wide open down in here. So I have this one all fit together. I have an Audi A4 here. This one has some nasty quarter panel damage. This is ripped wide open down in here, as well as other damage up here. So this one is going to be getting a new quarter panel, which I have right here. It's going to get sectioned in somewhere right in here, and then Audi allows you to section it all the way down here at the rocker, or you can section it in the dog leg right here. I'm going to section this one in the dog leg. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this panel off. So I have this quarter panel sitting on here, and it's overlapping the existing piece on the car just by about an inch or so. I'm going to go through and I'm going to scribe this, then I'll lift the quarter panel back off and I'll trim this out, then I'll have a perfect seam at all of the joints. So I have this one all fit together. My door gap is nice and even all the way down, and the tail light and deck lid both line up very nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one back apart because it gets some adhesive through here. So I'll have to lift the panel back off, then I will get it put back up there and get it welded on. So these particular lips always get a little choppiness through there from whenever I fold over the quarter panel skin. So I'm just gonna put a thin coat across this and knock it down just to make sure that's perfectly straight.